Hey everyone, how's it going? Now, one of everyone's new favorite titans is definitely the MUTOS from the 2014 Godzilla movie. So I thought I would show you guys how to draw one of the famous scenes where the two MUTOS actually come together and we realize that they are actually on the same side. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw the two MUTOS meeting together. I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. To start off with our two MUTOs, I'm going to begin up here with the larger MUTO. I'm going to start by just making a nice little line that's just going to start right here, and we're going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to come right to about here, and then I'm going to curve it down, and then it's going to come up just a bit. Then I'm going to take this line and I'm going to curve it down a few more times, and then I'm going to curve down like this. Starting here, we're going to make a few little lines that are going to curl up, and then I'm going to make a line that goes up, and then it's going to come down, and it's going to go back like this. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes up and down, and then a smaller one. You want to add one more that's going to go down, and this one's going to come down, and then it's going to angle off to here and then up. I'm going to start right here underneath this one. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and curl it up here for kind of like the shape of the head. Right here, I'm going to add a little line for the tongue. Underneath here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. I'm going to add a few more curved lines that come down here. You want to continue this line back a little bit more and then bring it down. Under here, you're going to draw a couple more little kind of curved, maybe some broken lines here just to kind of show where that neck is. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. I'm going to curve it up and then over. I'm going to repeat this just a couple more times just to show what the underside of the MUTO looks like. And we'll go right here to the edge of the paper. Starting up here, you want to make a line that goes out. It's going to come down to here. You want to bring it up, go down, and then bring it right over to the edge of the paper. Start the shoulder. I'll start another one here. This one's going to go down. It'll curl in just a bit. Then we're going to go up and off the paper. One more right here. It's going to go down. It's going to curl around, and then we'll bring it up here with a little line right here. In this area, I'm going to make a line that's going to curl around, and I want to add a few little extra lines in between here that go around to kind of show where that arm would be. Add a few extra lines. Right here, this line is going to come out. I'm going to go down to here and angle it back. Right here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go down, and I'm going to curl this up, and it's going to connect to there. We'll make a little line that's going to curl around, give it another little curve here. Next, bring this line down, and slowly bring it back to here. Over here, we're going to draw that other leg. I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, and it's going to angle in here. And we'll leave a little space and bring it up to here. I'll make another one that goes down, and then a line that's going to come right to about there. We'll make another little line that goes in. And we're going to take this line, it's going to come all the way down to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, and it's going to go back to here. Make a little line that's going to go down, and it's going to come up for the eye of our MUTO. we're going to make a couple little lines underneath here. I'm going to curl this line up just a bit and add a few little lines by the teeth. Starting right about here, I'm going to curl this line down. I'm going to go up to here. I'm going to make another one that goes up, and then one more to about there. I'm going to come in here and add a few more extra little lines for a little bit of texture right around here. I'll also put a little line or two in here and a couple more little lines just to show some detail on our MUTO. Then I'm going to add just a couple little lines right around there. Add a few little extra lines coming down here as well, and a few more on here. Now, starting over here, we want to add that second MUTO. I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come up, and it's going to curl down like this, and then it's going to curl back up. I'll add a few little lines right here for some little points, and a line's going to go down, and it's going to come up and then over. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. We'll add a few more little points for some teeth, and a little line that's going to go up and down. Next, you want to take this line and you're going to just bring it back to here, and I'll curve it up. And then I'll add a little line that's going to go down. It's going to come out and then curve up to here. Next, I'm going to take this line, I'm going to bring it up a little bit higher, and then we'll take it down a little bit. Extend it out a little bit more. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curl across, and then it's going to come out just a bit. Then we'll go down and then bring it around to here. Next, starting here, we'll add another little line off to here. I'm going to take this line, I'm going to bring it up and come down to about here. Bring this line up, and then starting here, I'm going to add just a few kind of curved little wrinkly lines just to kind of show where the neck of this MUTO is, the male MUTO. Make a line that's going to go down and up, and then I'll curve it down and over again. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down, and then it'll curve in all the way to the end. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to come up here, it's going to curl around and then down, kind of show where his other little leg is. I'll make a line that goes up, it'll curl to here and then down. Another one's going to go down like this. Right here, we'll make a line that goes down, and we're just going to curl this around and back to here for the other part of his mouth. Starting here, I'm going to begin here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, and it'll kind of come back. Then we'll start another one here. It's going to go up. It'll just curl back to here. Make a little line that goes out to here. Draw a little line that goes down, and we'll add a few little curved lines underneath here. Now, starting here, we're going to add just a few little lines that are going to curl across here for some more kind of texture on them. And we're just going to curl this around and add some little kind of broken long lines along here for some details on him. Do a few more on here. I'm going to add a little broken line here and a few lines along here. We'll add a couple lines here for some texture. I'm also going to add a few little long broken lines along here and up there for some more detail on our MUTOS. Starting here, we're going to make a nice long broken line and then another one here. Curl this around, and I'm just going to kind of come in here and add some little texture lines and details in just some different spots. I'll add a couple little lines coming up here for some different texture spots and details. Add some little lines here and then some more coming down here. Add some more little lines here. Then up here we're just going to add a few more little texture lines. I'm going to come up here and add just a couple little lines on here just for a little bit of detail. Some little lines coming down here. Little lines on the face. We'll add some little lines along the edge of the body and the arms. Just little spots right along here just for some extra detail. Some nice long lines coming down. And a few more lines over here. And there you go. There is your drawing of the two MUTOs meeting together from the 2014 Godzilla movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.